This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable spell check in Windows Notepad. I will be using Windows 11 for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have Windows Notepad opened up. To enable or disable spell check in Notepad, the first thing you want to do is open up the settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner of Notepad, up to that little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that. Then on this page, this is the settings page, I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom and you'll see spelling right here. And the first thing down is spell check. If this is toggled on, then you've got spell check enabled. If it's toggled off, spell check is disabled. Now if you have this toggled on, down below that is autocorrect. Typos are automatically corrected when spell check is turned on. If this is enabled, it will automatically correct any typos. If it's disabled, it won't automatically correct typos. That is how to enable or disable spell check in Windows Notepad. Thanks for watching.